Goodbyes are not forever, are not the end. It simply means I'll miss you until we meet you again. Present here, Honorable President of this farewell program. Present here, Headmaster of this school. Present here, our chief guest and also other guests. Present here, all teachers and madams of these schools. Present here, all guardians, viewers, villagers, every students of this school. Take my greetings and accept my salam. Assalamu alaikum. It's pleasure to meet with you. I'm standing here because of you. You are giving up from this school. That's why I'm here to say goodbye to you all. This is not easy way to say goodbye. We played together. We visited many places simultaneously. We quarreled with each other. We helped others. We have a lot of memories. All memories are flooding my eyes. I can't forget them at all. You are living because your bright future is waiting for you. That's why you have to go to your destination. One day you have to take the duty of our country. If we make any mistakes with you all, please pardon us. I'm requesting all teachers, madams, guardians, and students. Let's pray for our departing student. Best of luck. With that, I end my speech here. Thank you so much for hearing my speech. May Allah bless you all. Allah Hafiz.